This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Roblox Studio with Play Solo running. Create a local script under Starter Player Scripts now. This runs on each client. Once done, require direct camera control from the client rather than server code because camera type changes must come from a local script. Also make sure you reference game. Workspace. Current camera inside that local script. This is the only reliable context to disable player camera control, so save and focus on writing code that sets the camera to scriptable immediately when the player loads. Now implement the camera takeover. In the local script, get workspace. Current camera and set camera type to enum. Camera type. Scriptable, this removes default player control. Next, connect to game get service, run service. Render stepped and assign cam. See frame every frame. This is how you drive position and rotation smoothly. If you have input, process user input service and translate values to a target C frame, then lerp the camera toward that target. Make sure you never set camera subject when using scriptable. It must stay purely script-driven. Finish by adding cleanup and robustness. Listen for player. Character removing or script disable to disconnect render stepped and restore camera type if needed. Once done, test for conflicts. If the camera flickers or control returns, another script or plugin is changing camera type. Search for any camera type assignments and remove them. Make sure to test in multiplayer play mode, as client-only local script behavior differs from server scripts. If problems persist, temporarily log camera type every frame to find which script resets it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.